Having good understanding of parts of speech can really help you to save your precious time in reading module. Let's have a look.
So the first part of speech that we have is nouns. These are names of people, places, things, concepts or ideas. For example, Mike owns the fastest car. Here, Mike and car are two nouns. They decided to buy the house. House is noun. Next part of speech we have adjectives. These are description of nouns and pronouns. For example, that was an exciting film. Exciting is adjective. In the next sentence, we have happy as adjective. Then in the last one, longest. Another part of speech is adverbs. Adverbs are also used to modify the meaning of verbs. For example, she walked slowly. Then, they are extremely poor. The underlined words are adverbs. Next are verbs. They actually express the physical action or state. State doesn't mean Punjab or somewhere else. State is condition. For example, Federer plays tennis. So here, plays is the verb. Then the floods are serious. Are is a helping verb. Third one is take your time. Take is verb. Another very important part of speech is preposition. They show relationship between words and phrases. For example, let's see. This book is on the table. On is preposition. Then he went into the room. Into is preposition. Then against is another preposition. There are many actually. Pronouns. In reading, pronouns are used to replace the nouns. If you have good understanding of pronouns, then you can locate your answers by identifying your pronoun. For example, her, me, yourself are some examples of pronouns. Then conjunctions. Joining words, phrases and clauses. He is tall and slim and is a conjunction. I'll wait until she arrives. Tom is sick, so he is not here. So is conjunction. Lastly, interjections. They are not commonly used in academic reading, but they are used sometimes in the general reading. So they show strong emotions. Wow, hooray, and there are many others. I have used hey. So these are interjections. Having good sense of all these components help the students locate their answers in time, and you can use them also.
In the upcoming days, I am going to post more videos related to reading module, so it will be beneficial for you if you follow this page.